Did you know that August is National Golf Month? It's time to break out the clubs and practice your swing as we go over the best travel destinations in the United States for golfing. Our top 5 locations have so much more to offer beyond award-winning golf courses, guaranteeing unforgettable experiences regardless. Starting off at number 5 is Palm Springs, California. A stop on the PGA Tour calendar, Palm Springs offers challenging courses designed by golf legends that are surrounded by beautiful natural landscape. Known for having some of the best courses in the state, the perfect time to play in this desert paradise is in February, March, and November, probably when it's too cold to play at your local club back home. RCI makes finding accommodations in Palm Springs and many more of the destinations featured on our list stress-free. The Exchange makes it easy searching for individual locations and even resorts, as well as finding great deals within their collection of 1,000 points or less vacations. Let's see what we can find for our number 4 location, Orlando, Florida. By just searching in the Orlando area on RCI, you'll find a plethora of options and perfect locations that are sure to fit your vacation needs. Visit anytime between February and April for sunny days and low humidity. The sheer number of courses offered in the Orlando area will fit any budget and level of play. This location offers plenty of entertainment and activities for all ages and interests, making it a great place to visit if there are only a few golfers in your group. Our number 3 location also has lots of entertainment and activities in store. Known as America's entertainment capital, Las Vegas, Nevada is definitely a unique golfing experience. With a number of courses within 40 minutes of the Las Vegas Strip, you'll be able to make the most out of your time in the area. Need a way to get around? Your Palmera Vacation Club membership includes access to Quest Travel Club, a great tool to use for finding deals on rental cars. Quest is also a great place to find deals on hotels, flights, and other fun activities. Quest happens to have great deals on hotels for our number 2 location, Scottsdale, Arizona. We recommend visiting in either May or November for the best weather conditions, as well as deals not only on rounds of golf but for hotels as well. Home to one of the most iconic tournaments on the PGA Tour, Scottsdale is the perfect place if you're looking to improve your game and enjoy upscale dining and exciting desert adventures. Now, the number 1 location on our list shouldn't come to a surprise to anybody, since Hilton Head Island is seen as one of the most desirable travel destinations for golfers worldwide. With the highest density of championship golf courses, the island is packed with beautiful greens that are sure to challenge you. From waterfront courses to miles of pristine beaches to enjoy while you wind down after a game, it's hard to beat the stunning beauty of Hilton Head. As a Palmera Vacation Club member, you are already ahead of the game. Easily plan your next vacation to this low-country gem through your membership portal. And great news, one of the best times for golfing on the island is in the fall, meaning less crowds and more chances to save on accommodations. Check out what's available on the VIP weeks, the cash-only option that gives members access to exclusive discounts on stays at any of our 4 Gold Crown resorts. If none of our top 5 golf destinations are exactly what you're looking for, be sure to check out the Destination Highlights section on our blog. There you'll find a ton of great information about some of our favorite destinations not necessarily known as golf meccas. Read about visiting Gatlinburg, Tennessee, home to some of the best and most scenic golf courses in the country. Or peruse our piece on Branson, Missouri, where visitors can tee it up at Paynes Valley, a course designed by none other than 82-time PGA Tour winner Tiger Woods. No matter where your golf dreams take you in the coming months, Palmera Vacation Club and our 6 ways to travel will help you stay on course with your travel plans.